All right, this is why the demons at the downtown Ontario luxury apartments here are molesting me with impossible light. They're doing so with the stalkers of the Ontario Police Department. They're engaging in sexual assault and battery on behalf of these sex offenders who are stalking in helicopter, doing so at 11:41 p.m. They are indeed engaging in state surveillance. They are engaged in what is stalking. This is one shadow that's in front, and here's another shadow that's behind. Impossible light activity, while the entities engaged in what is stalking in the path using helicopters, just so you can see my shadows on both sides of me, and that is not explained by the light that's behind me. Okay, the entities engaged in surveillance, and the people of the state, these are sex offenders, and I'm going to make Sarah's Regis group and every single last demon that is a resident, documented visitors, the entity that is engaging in what is presence at that venue, engaged in surveillance by use of the Tesla charge stations. They're going to be federally prosecuted as violent sex offenders conspiring by murder. The entities engaging in what is the pattern of conduct, what you saw Jay Sandoval doing this morning. She was committing sexual assault and battery as well. She's a sex offender, which is the entity that is a department that is gang stalking, conspiring my murder with the people of the state, conspiring my murder. Touching me with impossible light at the intersection of C Street and Euclid. That's impossible light activity. Touching me with impossible light from the parking garage while they're exiting. That's impossible light activity because your headlights are not reaching over here. Okay, their headlights are not blinding each other. They can see. There's no headlights blinding the back of that truck while that demon is driving behind them. They're all stalking me together. The entities engaging in what is molestation via engineer light. That's what Jay Sandoval, the Ontario police, are doing this morning when I am under the fake sun and you are stalking in my path under that fake sun. That is the proof that, and that is the ongoing confirmation with regard to what is a scientific fact, that that's not the natural environment. It is there for the stalking purposes of Jay Sandoval, the Ontario Police Department, and the people of the state, and I am being unlawfully touched without my consent pursuant to a criminal pattern of conduct that agency is engaging in, and Mike LORENZ is going to be prosecuted by, and it is sexual assault and battery during the day. And at nightfall, the same engineered environment is present, and it is sexual assault and battery. It is an unlawful touching that is committed by the group that is engaging in what is stalking you. It is group sexual violence, a group sex act, where the demons are engaging in what is an ongoing, incessant sexual touching of your person while they are stalking you obsessively and monitoring your every move. And they are also sex offenders that are monitoring your genitalia, as I have also spelled out for you. The entity is stalking at 11:43 p.m., stalking me by helicopter. This is the evidence to prosecute the people of the state who are committing sexual assault and battery on behalf of those gang members who are being disbanded for this evidence, speaking to what is the criminal activity of the people of the state, which is making, again, the Ontario police are a threat to the public. They're not a police department, and they are going to be shut down. This is P.O.C.